Hey everyone, welcome back to our Smartsheet tutorial series. Today, we're tackling how to filter in Smartsheet for 2025. If you're drowning in data and need to zero in on what's important, filtering is your best friend. It's a game changer for project managers, teams, or anyone wrangling spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First off, a quick refresher. Smartsheet is an online collaboration tool that combines the power of spreadsheets with advanced features for tracking tasks, projects, and more. In the 2025 version, filtering has gotten even smarter with updated interfaces and automation options, making it easier than ever. To get started, open your Smartsheet sheet. You'll see a toolbar at the top. Look for the filter icon, usually represented by a funnel. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select the column you want to filter. For example, if you have a status column, choose that. Step 2. Define your criteria. Options include equals, greater than, contains, or even date ranges. Smartsheet's 2025 updates let you use dynamic filters based on formulas for more precision. Once you've set your filters, hit Apply, and watch your sheet transform. Only the rows that match your criteria will show up, helping you focus on key data. You can add multiple filters to combine conditions, like showing tasks that are in progress and assigned to a specific team member. Pro tip: save your filters as views so you can reuse them later or share with your team. And remember, always clear filters when you're done to avoid confusion with your data. Filtering in Smartsheet not only saves time but also boosts productivity. Give it a try on your next project and see the difference. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.